Hello and welcome to Ms. English Lady. Today, we will learn English in the supermarket. You can listen while you clean your house. You can listen while you walk, or you can listen while you relax. Are you ready? Let's go. My name is Mina. I go to the supermarket today. I need a few things. I need eggs, I need bread, I need milk, and I need apples. I look at the supermarket. I see carts and baskets. Do you use a cart or do you use a basket? Today, I use a cart. I push my cart. I am ready to shop. I look around. The supermarket is big. I see many aisles. I see signs, but I am not sure where the eggs are. I see a worker. His name is Sam. I ask Sam a question. The question is, "Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?" Listen again. "Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?" Now, Mina asks Sam, "Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?" Aisle 3, the dairy section. Thank you. Good. Mina found the eggs in aisle 3, the dairy section. Now, where can you find the eggs? Think about your supermarket. Now, Mina needs bread. Mina asks Sam again, "Excuse me, where can I find the bread?" Aisle 2, the bakery section. Thank you. Bread is in aisle 2, the bakery section. Now, Mina needs apples. She asks Sam one more time, "Excuse me, where can I find the apples?" Aisle 6, the produce section. Thank you. Apples are in aisle 6, the produce section. Do you see the pattern? The question is always, "Excuse me, where can I find blank?" Now, Mina is looking for milk, but she cannot find regular milk. She looks and looks, but no milk. She asks Sam a different question. "Do you have almond milk?" Listen again. Do you have almond milk? Now, Mina asks Sam, "Do you have almond milk?" Yes, aisle 5. Thank you. Great, they have almond milk in aisle 5. Now, what about you? Do you have almond milk in your supermarket? Sometimes you ask this question and the answer is no. The worker says, "Sorry, not today." That is okay. You go to a different aisle or you buy something different. The question is, "Do you have blank?" Now, Mina needs rice for cooking. She asks a different question. Which aisle is rice in? Listen. Which aisle is rice in? Which aisle is rice in? Aisle 7, the grains section. Thank you. Good. Mina found rice in aisle 7. Now, Mina needs cereal. Which aisle is cereal in? Aisle 4. Thank you. Cereal is in aisle 4. This question is very useful. Which aisle is in? Now, Mina has many items in her cart. She looks at the prices. She picks up bread and looks at the price tag. She asks Sam, "How much is this?" Listen. How much is this? How much is this? $2. Okay, thank you. The bread is $2. Now, Mina picks up the apples. There are many apples. She asks, "How much are these?" How much are these? $3 a pound. Thank you. Notice, we say, how much is this for one item? We say, how much are these for many items? Now, Mina sees a sign. It says, sale. She asks Sam, is this on sale? Is this on sale? Yes, it is 20% off. That is good. Great, the eggs are on sale. Is your favorite food on sale sometimes? Do you check the prices? Mina is shopping. She picks up different items. I will teach you the names of the containers. Mina picks up milk. She says, I need a carton of milk. A carton. Say it. Carton. Milk comes in a carton. I need a carton of milk. Now, Mina picks up bread. She says, I need a loaf of bread. A loaf. Say it. Loaf. Bread comes in a loaf. I need a loaf of bread. Now, Mina picks up eggs. She says, I need a dozen eggs. A dozen. That is 12 eggs. I need a dozen eggs. Now, Mina picks up rice. She says, I need some rice. Some rice. Rice is different. We do not count rice. We say some rice or a bag of rice. I need some rice. And finally, Mina picks up apples. She says, I need 2 apples. 2 apples. We can count apples. I need 2 apples. Remember these words: a carton, a loaf, a dozen, some rice, 2 apples. How many eggs do you buy? Do you buy a dozen or do you buy fewer eggs? How much rice do you eat? Do you buy a big bag or a small bag? Now Mina is finished shopping. She goes to the checkout. The checkout is at the front of the supermarket. The cashier is a woman. Her name is Linda. Linda smiles. She says, Hello, did you find everything? Yes, thank you. Good. Mina found everything she needed. Now Linda asks, cash or card? Card, please. Mina pays with a card, not with cash. Now Linda asks another question. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. Mina gets a bag for her items. Linda says, Here is your receipt. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Bye. Perfect. Mina finished her shopping. Let me repeat the checkout questions. Did you find everything? Cash or card? Would you like a bag? Here is your receipt. Now we will review the most important phrases. I will say them slowly first, then at normal speed. The first phrase, excuse me, where can I find the eggs? Excuse me, where can I find the eggs? You try. Say it now. Say, excuse me, where can I find the eggs? The second phrase, do you have milk? Do you have milk? You try. Say it. The third phrase, which aisle is rice in? Which aisle is rice in? You try. Say it. The fourth phrase, how much is this? How much is this? You try. The fifth phrase, cash or card? Cash or card? You try. Very good. You are learning. Now we will do a small quiz. I will give you a sentence with a missing word. You think of the answer. Then I will tell you. Are you ready? Quiz number 1. Excuse me, where can I find the blank? The answer is eggs. Excuse me, where can I find the eggs? Quiz number 2. Do you have blank? The answer is milk. Do you have milk? Quiz number 3. Which blank is rice in? The answer is aisle. Which aisle is rice in? Quiz number 4. How blank is this? The answer is much. How much is this? Quiz number 5. Cash or blank? The answer is card. Cash or card? Excellent! You did very well. Now, let me give you a list of words from today. Practice these words. Say each word 3 times. Supermarket, supermarket, supermarket. Aisle, aisle, aisle. Dairy, dairy, dairy. Bakery, bakery, bakery. Produce, produce, produce. Price, price, price. Sale, sale, sale. Receipt, receipt, receipt. Carton, carton, carton. Loaf, loaf, loaf. Dozen, dozen, dozen. Cashier, cashier, cashier. These are the words from today. Practice them every day. Wonderful! You finished this lesson. You learned English in the supermarket. Remember the most important phrase. Excuse me, where can I find the... You can use this phrase every time you go shopping. Thank you for listening. I am Miss English Lady. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep practicing English. Goodbye.